complex electrical projects succeed long before the first installation begins. Tight schedules, active job sites, and multiple scopes require planning that reduces risk and keeps work moving. At Baker Electric, prefabrication moves key portions of the work into a controlled environment. Assemblies, supports, conduit pathways, and organized material packages can be planned, built, labeled, and staged with greater consistency before field installation begins. This process works closely with planning, BIM, VDC, engineering support, and project management, helping teams identify conflicts earlier, coordinate details more clearly, and prepare the field for smoother execution. That preparation helps improve consistency, support quality control, reduce job site congestion, and make field installation more predictable. When prefabricated components arrive on site, crews can install with greater clarity, organization, and confidence. For owners, general contractors, and project partners, the benefit is simple: fewer surprises, safer execution, and stronger coordination. Prefabrication is one more way Baker Electric delivers complex electrical projects with discipline, reliability, and confidence. Let's build together. Visit bakerelectric.com today.